Now let us understand how banks do the loan activities. Have you ever thought what do the bank do with the deposits which they accept from the people? Loan activities by bank depends on mechanism. Actually, banks keep only a small proportion of the deposit as cash with themselves which the depositors deposit. Let's take an example. Banks in India these days hold about 15% of their deposit as cash. This percentage depends on the financial condition of a country. If the financial condition of our country is good, then banks keep least amount for loan activities and more amount for giving cash from the deposit. In its contrast, if the financial condition of our country is not good, then banks keep more amount for the loan activities and less percentage of amount for withdrawing of cash to the people. This cash amount is kept by the bank for the provision to pay the depositor who might come to withdraw the money from the bank in any day. On a particular day, only some of its many depositors come to withdraw cash. The bank is able to manage with this cash amount, as everybody, all the depositors do not ask to withdraw their money from the bank. Thus, bank is able to manage the cash for the payment. The main motto of the banks to take the deposits is to extend the loans. There is a huge demand for loans for various types of economic activities in any country. Banks make the use of the deposit to meet the loan requirements of the people. In this way, the banks act as those who have surplus funds, the depositors, and those who are in need of these funds, the mediator. Banks charge a higher interest on loans than whatever the bank offer to the depositors. The difference between what the bank is charging to the borrower and what the bank is giving to the depositor is the main source of income of the bank.